I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford F-150 back seat. First, fold down the rear seat backrests to gain access. Next, locate the two 10mm bolts at the front of the seat bottom. Use a socket wrench to remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out, lift the front of the seat bottom and pull it forward to release it from its rear clips. Then, carefully remove the entire seat bottom from your truck. Now let's tackle the seat backs. You'll find two 12mm bolts at the bottom of each seat back near the floor. Use your socket wrench to loosen and remove these. After the bolts are out, gently lift each seat back straight up. This action will unhook them from their upper mounting points. Once free, carefully maneuver each seat back out of the truck's interior. To ensure a smooth removal, remember a few key tips. If your F-150 has heated seats or sensors, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors before lifting. A plastic trim removal tool can be very helpful to avoid scratching interior panels. Always keep all removed bolts and hardware in a labeled container to prevent loss. For the heavier seat sections, having a second person to assist with lifting can make the job much easier and safer. When it's time to reinstall, reverse the steps. Start by aligning the seat back hangers with their upper mounting points, then secure the 12mm bolts. Next, position the seat bottom, ensuring its rear clips engage properly. Finally, fasten the two 10mm bolts at the front of the seat bottom. Double-check all connections and bolts to ensure everything is secure and safe for your next journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.